So hi, today I'm going to talk about my ninth question. Okay, so far I talked about 8 questions. Today is ninth question. Okay, so let's get into the video. Question is very simple. Okay, why everything in our space have opposite properties? Okay, that is my question. You may not understand it. I will put some examples. Let's take magnets. Magnets have two properties: North Pole, South Pole. Let's take humans, men, women. Let's take matters, antimatter, matter. Then gravity, pulling, expansion. Okay. Then there is a wave, particle, wave duality. Okay. Electric charges, positive charges, negative charges. So more or less everything in our space have two properties. So who is that? That is my question. Now you may not understand it properly. Okay. Now I try with some examples. Okay. Let's take magnets. Okay. Magnet have North Pole and South Pole. It have two properties. Okay. So now if you break that magnet, it will turn into 4. 2 North Pole, 2 South Pole. Okay. And again if you break it 2 magnets, it will turn into 8. And again it will be 16. And again it will be 32. And it will go, and it will go infinitely. Okay. So who is that? Okay. It's the same material. Okay. But when you break it, and again you break it, so who is that? Same material, right? But why? It's very complicated one. Okay. In quantum physics, it's very complicated one subject. But yeah. And the funny thing is, if you try to reattach the magnet, okay, whatever you do, okay, it cannot go back to the usual form. It cannot go back to the only 2 poles. Okay. Once you break it, it's done. Okay. That is the universe. Okay. When it's done, it will not repeat. Okay. So it's same for time also. Okay. If you done one thing already, you cannot repeat it. Okay. If you want to repeat it, you have to get everything from the space to the where you want. Okay. It will take tremendous energy. Okay. So it is not possible. Okay. Once it's done, it's done. Why is that? That is my question. Okay. That is my exact question. Okay. So I have one principle, more like a theory. What I believe is the same thing, the opposite reactions. It's apply for whole universe, whole things. Okay. This is what also our Newton says. Okay. Every action have a opposite reaction. Okay. So yeah. And what my theory is, because of this, okay, the whole universe is functioning. If one is cut, okay, there will be nothing. Okay, based on action, the reaction will happen. Based on the reaction, the another thing will happen. It's the theory like ours. Okay, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It only transforms one energy to another energy. Okay, like that. Why is that? I believe. Okay, it's all because of electrons. Okay, it's starting from the electrons itself. Okay, if you take electrons, it have two properties: up spin, down spin. Okay, so why is that? Why it have one principle, and how the electrons know this is what it's doing? Okay, how electron know I have only 2 spins, up and down. Okay, like that. Why is that? Because of electrons, everything follow the same principle. Okay, so yeah, let's take photons. Okay, photons, where the photons come from the electrons. Okay, when electron release excess energy, the photons will travel around the space. Okay, but photon have 2 properties: particle, wave. Okay, so why is that? Everything have 2 properties. If you think about it, you can understand it. Okay, what I'm trying to tell. Okay, it may be a stupid question, but it have content to it. Okay. End of the video, I will talk about humans. Okay, you see, we humans have 2 sides: good side, bad side. Okay, but we are not using good side. We only use bad side many of the times. Okay, who is that? We are gonna live in a very small time. Okay, just do good things. Okay, one day the health will gone. Okay, it will definitely gone. And before that, try to live a good life. Okay, you don't have to be bad. Okay, so you see, behind your back, behind my back, there is lot of global things are happening around the world. Okay, only because of humans. That shouldn't have to happen, but it's happening. Okay, why is that? Just stop it. Okay, before the world will end. We are the one going to destroy our own humanity. Okay, so yeah, don't be like that, guys. Okay, that is my question. That's all. Let's see another video. Okay, I am my video.